Okay, let's go with the view now. Freeze is where you can freeze some columns or some rows in order to where you scroll up or down to see it always. And grade lines is where you can see grade lines. Now let's go with the freeze. I'm gonna show the grid lines in here. I'm gonna say number, then first name, last name, and then we're gonna say phone number. This is gonna be a simple one, okay, simple table where we can just somehow do it, all right? Then add some number in here. So we're gonna say Tom. This is gonna be Tom. This is gonna be Ali. This is gonna be Khan. And then I don't have time for this to type everything. So in that case, I'm gonna just make it really draw it. Boom. And there you go. We have a lot of things. And for example, I'm gonna say Gates, jobs. Then we're gonna say Khan. Okay, that's Khan. And then we're gonna say we're gonna click it. Of course, we can do it another way. Okay, yeah, you can double click on that and it'll happen. The numbers are gonna be this much, and it's gonna be a sample number in case we don't steal any personal information. That's the thing. That's the thing we wanted in here. Okay, I'm gonna just make it a little border, nicer one, in case we have to be really nice with it. That's it. Changing to this color and removing the grid lines in case we don't want it. And then there you go. And then we have it right now, making it a little bigger. The text 12. And Roboto is the best in this case. Where are you, Roboto? Roboto. There you go. Make you bold. Yeah. Double click in here. And here. Then in here, that's all. I really made it a lot of big in this case, so let's go with 11. And then I have to fill the color like this color. There you go. I made it. Now these should be just to the left, to the right. Sorry, to the left. There you go. I've made one. I made one, and now let's see. Let's do with that. Okay. Now whenever I scroll up, it's really going. It's just disappearing. So the one thing that I really should do is going to the view, freeze. I can say one row, two rows, which one? So this is going to be typically one row. I'm going to say one or up to current row one. So this one is just one, okay? I'm going to just say one row. There you go. Whenever I scroll down, it's there. And it's awesome. Also, I can do one thing. I can freeze this thing, this column. Freeze in here, freeze one column. There you go. There you go. Yes. That's it. That's the magic, okay? That's the magic. With that, with this. And that's all with the freeze. I can choose with any options I wanted, any position. And grid lines is where you can see grid lines. Protected ranges is where you see your protected ranges. How to protect ranges. For example, I want to just protect maybe these ranges. I don't know, but somehow let's do it as a sample, as an example, in case it's a stupid or maybe not. And that's right click in here, and we have protect ranges in here. Protect range. Now I'm gonna say just for testing it, and set permission. See, only you, or restrict who can edit. Only me, or maybe custom people. Show a warning when editing to this ring. I'm gonna show warning. Okay. Change save. Now it's locked. Okay. And whenever I change something, it says heads up. That's the thing. And I can see here protected ranges, and I can there you go. I can see now, and I can not see it. Protect range is very important in case you wanted to have not to change somewhere. For example, like the rows or title or something like that. Important information should not change. That's the job with protect range. Okay, I love that. That's where you want it. Plus, you can rename it. You can define it. I can define this as maybe a title or title of or table title, and done. Now it says the preserve range is not valid. Okay, Yeah, there you go. I should not have noise space. Now this is gonna be just, it's defined now, which we'll talk about it, okay, in more cases, in more projects, in more documents, like that. Show formulas is where you can see formulas too in this. For this, I don't have it right now. Heighten sheets is where you can see heighten sheets. Okay, let me just hide this first one to do. Click in here, hide it. Now it should be available. Heighten sheets is just one. Okay, so you can take it back. Zoom, I can zoom it any position I want it. This is also zoom that you can see everything. And full screen is just full screen of that. That's the view options. Okay, let's talk about the insert and more later on.